Hey everyone, I'm gonna be making, I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try to make these things, put it in and explode or something.
Baking soda and a diet pop.
Yeah, diet pop, baking soda. So it's gonna pour and it might explode or something like that.
Like erupt.
So, or yeah, erupt.
But don't pour it all.
Okay, so let's get started. You do, he's gonna do it because I don't know what to do or how to do it.
Okay, let me see. This is new baking soda, so don't be surprised.
Oh! Oh, that's kind of cool.
Let's see it again.
Yeah, let's do it again. Put more.
There it goes. But I don't think it's gonna work a second time.
Oh!
Yeah, it's not gonna work a second time.
Here, do you have another Rockstar thingy?
No, I don't think.
Alright. So that was pretty cool. So I'm gonna end this video because it's not gonna work again. Whoa! Why do you like doing that so much, Garrett?
Because I like to do it.
Hey, so yeah, I'm gonna end it because it's not gonna work again, and he spilled it all. So yeah, peace. Say bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.